Hello and welcome to Motorsport and Performance. I'm Teddy, and in this video we have the Ford Performance aluminium rocker or cam covers. So if you're thinking of upgrading your Mustang's engine bay look and performance at the same time, these are probably going to be the best option for you. The aluminium Ford Performance cam covers come with many benefits, the main one being that the bolt holes around all of the cam cover are in total use, as opposed to the stock plastic covers that only use a certain percentage of the holes that exist on the head. Another benefit to these cam covers is better heat dispersion. Aluminium disperses heat better than plastic. Another benefit to these cam covers is they come standard on the GT500, not only for performance but for looks. These things tidy up the engine bay to no end, and also because they're aluminium you can actually powder coat them to whatever colour theme your Mustang is running. Just before we get these on the car, we're going to check out the contents of what comes in the kit. Obviously you get two aluminium cam covers, seals are already pre-fitted into them, and you get a pack of bolts to install them with because you now need more bolts and they're a different style of bolts, and you also get a nice new oil filler cap. Now the cam covers are all installed on the vehicle, the engine looks way tidier under that hood, and there's no more risk of oil leaking past the rocker cover seal. Now, if you're interested in these cam covers, they come in at $399 and an approximate install time of 3 hours. Any questions or inquiries, don't hesitate to contact us via Facebook, email or phone. Thank you guys for watching, we'll see you next time.